dry density of compacted WMM layer. Equipment: sand pouring cylinder, tools for excavation, metal tray, clean natural sand passing 1 mm sieve and retained on 600 micron sieve, and other accessories. This test is to determine the field dry density of natural or compacted fine and coarse-grained soils by sand replacement method. Lay the tray firmly on the surface of the soil to be tested. Excavate the depth of the soil to a maximum of 250 mm. Note the weight of the soil. Take a representative sample of the soil and note its weight. Heat the sample till it becomes completely dry. Allow it to cool. Note its weight to calculate the water content. Fill the pouring cylinder with clean natural sand to the prescribed weight. Place it centrally. Open the shutter and allow the sand to run. Close the shutter once the sand movement stops. Now, note the weight of the cylinder. Weight of sand is equal to total weight of sand before pouring minus the weight of sand after pouring. Weight of sand in hole and cone is equal to weight of sand in cylinder before pouring minus weight of sand after pouring. Weight of sand in hole is equal to weight of sand in hole and cone minus weight of sand in cone portion determined while calibration. Volume of hole is equal to weight of sand in hole divided by bulk density of sand determined while calibration. Field wet density of compacted soil is equal to weight of soil in the hole divided by volume of hole. Field dry density of compacted soil is equal to 100 into wet density divided by 100 plus water content in the soil from the hole. similar procedure is followed to determine the field dry density of compacted GSB layer.